Today's learning topic is to learn about an electrical sequence that ventilates the interior of a production workshop using temperature sensors. Each temperature is measured through a temperature sensor. The PLC handles lamp lighting and motor operation according to the given temperature. Learn about each temperature condition. When the temperature is below 20 degrees, the GL lamp lights up. When the temperature is over 20 degrees, the OL lamp lights up. When the temperature is over 30 degrees, the OL lamp turns off and MC1 operates. When the temperature is over 40 degrees, the RL lamp lights up. If the temperature is over 50 degrees, MC2 operates. If the temperature is over 60 degrees, the buzzer and YOL lamp will cross each other for 2 seconds. Also, when the MC2 is operated, the two motors operate together until the room temperature is less than 30 degrees. Lastly, during the OCR trip, all PLC operations are stopped. Before checking the simulation operation, let's take a look at the PLC program configuration. The PLC program configuration may differ depending on the user. Please refer to the written PLC program configuration.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Today's learning topic was to learn the moving parts that automatically ventilate the workplace by operating the motor according to the temperature. We can easily check the temperature information input through the sensor through the PLC. Let's see what these temperature or other sensors are. Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.